Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Can robots replace people in fire mitigation? You know, on your property, any property you have, it's really smart to do fire mitigation around your house and any structures and stuff like that. But can robots replace humans? I don't know. I mean, there's what happens when a bear comes in the forest and, the robot doesn't know what to do, or you're stacking up wood and how far do you stack it? Do they know to leave some trees there, and I don't know. And then what happens if they're cutting with chainsaws? Do they know when their chainsaw blade is dull, or do they just keep on cutting through the tree until it's until their battery runs out or whatever? And then animals, they might not like having a grizzly bear come and, rip out their guts, But I don't know, it is possible. What's your thoughts in the comments about robots doing fire mitigation in the forest? Let me know. Thanks for watching.